What's up, CloudLife? Looking at CasinoCoin right now, the market is still bearish overall, but we're going to look at it with some Ichimoku technical analysis. The market, like I said, is overall bearish, but right now, what the market is doing is making lower lows, as you see here, and you see that the oscillator, the ultimate oscillator, is making higher lows. So this is showing some bullish divergence. Where I'm expecting the market to probably hold this level off. There's no signs of the market breaking through this level yet. This is an order block from the past. I am thinking the market is going to hold here and be bullish, but time will tell. I'm just giving you my bias on what I see in the market right now. This is the area that I would say buyers would like to hold. If buyers cannot hold this level, this market will dump very badly to the downside, coming down to the 4-hour time frame real quickly. Ichimoku is showing bearish signs still, but this is what I expect. I want to see if the market could hold this level for a double bottom and then potentially move to the upside. If we could get that move to the upside, then we'll have clear skies. But we don't have that yet, so I want to see if market could hold this level at 0.001, and if we could hold that level, then we will see some bullish action. But if we can't hold this current level, expect the market to drop further. All right, peace out.